My weight plates have arrived, so I'm just going to open this puppy up. What I ordered here was a pair of calibrated collars. That's calibrated for competition use, so they're 2.5 kilos each. And I also ordered a set of change plates. Now, I think I made a bit of a mistake and forgot to order the very lightest ones, which is 0.5 of a kilo, 0.25 of a kilo. But anyway, I've got the rest of the change plates here. Oh, we have pink. Pink bubble wrapping stuff. I hope everything's in here. First off, we've got the 5 kilo plates. Looking pretty swish. 5 kilo plates are required to be white for competition use, and as I said, these are calibrated plates, so these are acceptable for powerlifting competitions, from local competitions all the way up to world championships. Got a little IPF sticker on the back to show that it's calibrated, and just a little Eleiko sticker next to it. So that's them. They look pretty sweet. They're painted all over, including the inside of the hole. I don't know if my collars arrived. Or maybe they did. Trying to not have this pink stuff fly out everywhere. The next plates down in the change set are the 2.5s, and they also have to be color coded, and these ones are black. The plates above that for powerlifting, the 10 kilo is green, the 15 kilo is yellow, the 20 kilo is blue, and the 25 kilo is red. So the 5 and 2 are white and black, and then below that they don't have to be a particular color, and they're chromed actually. I'm not sure about the Eleikos. They may be coloured all the way down. I don't recall. So there's a pair of those. Now, my philosophy, as I mentioned in my barbell video, is that you train like you compete. So I want to be using calibrated plates. If you do a search on YouTube, or I'll try and include the link in my video below, Steve Goggins talks about training with calibrated plates, what the advantages are and why you should do it if you're a competitor. If you just go to the gym to get fit or to do CrossFit and stuff, it doesn't matter. Oh. And below that, we've got our shiny little goodies. The packing is a bit ordinary. It's just wrapped in brown paper, but each plate comes in a plastic bag. I mean, they are weight plates. They're not delicate china at all. So everything below 2.5 is chromed. This is the 1.25s. Look quite swisher. Quite like that. That's nifty. If you're into body piercing, I reckon some Eleiko plates would go really well. Yeah, so there's a nice pair of those. Now, as mentioned, these are calibrated, so these are within 0.01% of their stated weight. So again, you could actually use these to calibrate your scales if you so wished. And it looks like these are the smallest that I picked up, which are 0.5. So I need to order the 0.25s, and the reason why 0.25 is the most important plate on the bar, and that's because a 0.25 plate either end makes half a kilo, 500 grams, and that's the minimum allowable weight to set a new world record. So if you can add the 0.25s to the bar, that changes your lift from, or potentially changes your lift from just another lift in a competition to a world record. So I think the 0.25s are the most important plate that you can have on the bar. Alright. So that's them. That's the 0.5s. So I've got 5s, 2.5s, 1.25s, and half kilo plates. And I'll order the 0.25s today or tomorrow. And finally, in some sort of plastic bag, these sweet bags. These are the competition calibrated collars. They seem to have a smearing of grease all over them. Beautifully knurled sleeve. Inside there's like a bit of spring steel, and these are slipped onto the bar and then tightened down, and that spring steel pushes against the bar and locks it. And then you tighten that up against the plates to make sure it's all nice and firm. Again, train like you compete. So these are Eleiko, Sweden approved, 2.5 kilo each. And there's your required IPF calibration sticker just there. You can see it. So we have a pair of those. So all that's missing now is my 0.25 kilo plates and the big plates, the money plates. I'm hoping to get some 25 kilo plates calibrated, a couple of 20s maybe. I probably don't need those, I probably just need 10s. I ran the figures and I found out for training purposes I need 25s, 10s and these plates. So that'll be a good starting point. If I want to get the others later I can. So I'll keep you posted.